Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another calligraphy lesson. I think this is lesson number 8, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, I'll put it in the title. Right, we've done alif, be, or ba, ta, tha, be. If you've been following my previous lessons, you should be able to do these letters, and they should be consistent. So if you are doing the be and it turns out like this and you think, whoa, that's good, and the next one turns out like that, then that's not good. That means you need more practice. You need a whole page, a few pages of something that looks like that. So you'd need about 8 pages of practice, probably. First 4 will not look so good, then 5, 6, you're getting into it. By the end of the 6th page, by the 6th page you've cracked it, you've got it right. So then 7 and 8 you'll do. So you'll have beautiful bars or bays on 2 pages, and you know that that's it, you've mastered that letter. Right? So now I'm going to teach you another letter. Now I'm not going to go according to the alphabet. We're not going to do Jim as yet because it's a difficult letter. I'm going to teach you Re or Ra, and we're going to write it like the Arabic. We're not going to write it in the Urdu way because that's a hard letter to do. Alright, so we'll do the Arabic. The reason why I'm teaching you that is because I'm going to do something in a couple of lessons. I'm going to make you do something, write something, and then it'll all come together. So look how I'm doing this. Let's say in my wide lines I'm going to use 2 lines. If your lines are narrower, use 3 lines possibly. Start up here, my pen is straight like that, put it down, push, and then so the pen starts straight, not like that, not like we usually put it, not at an angle, but straight like that. So this is my pen, that's the barrel of my pen. Right, that's my pen. This is how it is. So to write this letter, you're gonna turn the pen over like that. Right, and then you're going to put it down like that on the page vertically, and then you're going to push, and as you bring it up, twist round, and you should be able to get something like this. Should start off thick. So starting off thick, going down and up. Okay, and then practice lots and lots and lots of those until you get it right. So afterwards you'll be able to flick it like I'm flicking it. Initially you'll be doing this very carefully. Don't press down too hard and bringing it up like that. Eventually you'll be able to do this. Flick, flick. Don't start flicking straight away because then you'll go all over the place. Do it carefully, do it slowly. Don't press down too hard. And again, once you've written one, you can check it. Should be about 5 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 down. Remember that gauge that we use, that measurement. So if you're doing something like this, then you know when you measure it that that's off, that's too many. So draw it and then you can measure it. I'll show you a trick now as well. What you can do is get a piece of paper, roll the dots 5 times, and then horizontally, and in the same way do them vertically, and cut that out. Alright, so you've got 2 strips. Now whenever you write a letter, you can just put that over just to check where, if you don't have to do it for every single letter, but as you're going along, if you think, oh, am I going right, am I doing wrong, then you can just, is my B right? So you get that strip and you put it on top, and you'll be able to tell, hopefully, that should be 5 across. Say if, for example, you've written a leaf and you want to check it, so then you take one of the strips and you put it on, and you'll be able to see that it's about right. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it's about right. So you know you're doing well. Okay, so in this lesson I want you to practice your rays like this, up like that, up. So you're putting the pen down flat like that, pushing, and then bringing up the tip like that, and keep on practicing that. Eventually you'll be able to just flick it up like that, and do, like I say, 5, 6, 8 pages of those. And inshallah, if you're patient and you're practicing, remember, practice is the key to knowledge, as I read the other day. Keep on practicing, repetition, practice. If you keep on doing that and you're able to do this letter, then I'll just give you a sneak preview of where I'm taking you with this. Next lesson we're going to be writing this word. Sorry, not next lesson. Next lesson is too soon. That's our target. That's what we're going to try and write. Ar-Rahim. Right? So now if you followed my lessons properly, then you can do that already. You can do that as well, really, because it's just the same as that, up to there. And then in this lesson you've learnt this. Next lesson we'll be learning this, and then the lesson after that we'll learn that. So then you'll be able to write Ar-Rahim, and that will be your first piece of Arabic calligraphy, which you can then present to people, and people will think, whoa, did you do that? That's amazing. And then it'll fill you with confidence and happiness, and then it'll encourage you to practice more and to carry on with the course. Okay, so today's homework is practice the rays. Enjoy yourself. Look, you can tell sometimes mine go wrong as well, so it's not the end of the world if after doing 5, 6 pages some of your rays turn out wrong. It doesn't matter, keep on practicing. Alright, so hope you've enjoyed that. Remember to like and share and subscribe, and make dua for me. Assalamu alaikum, until next time.